Hey, what's going on, guys? I am going to show you how to relight your pilot light on a new system like this that is on your water heater. If you have a newer water heater, this particular one is the Ream Performance Platinum right here. And this is different than another one I do have on my video with more of a twist pilot light. So if you do not have this system, go check out my other video on my channel about how to relight your pilot light. This one is going to be particular for the newer models. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. And so right here, you have a status light here. You have some instructions. You can read all this. All your instructions are right here, but I'm a visual learner. That's why obviously I'm making this video for you guys as well. So again, if there's any steps in this video that aren't going correctly, go ahead and read that on your tank. So what we see here is there's no blinking light at all, and it's in the off position. Already had it in the off position, and so what we're gonna do here is we need to go ahead and flip it over to pilot right here. But before we do that, if you guys are smelling gas, make sure that you clear the area, get out of the house, and call a service tech or somebody that knows what they're doing, because you do not want to relight anything around a gas leak. So if you're not smelling any gas, go ahead and proceed with this here. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it over to pilot here. Now what's gonna happen is we're gonna push this in. The pilot button actually pushes in like that there. And then as we're pushing in, we're gonna go ahead and push in this little clicker. It's just like a barbecue. It's gonna send a little spark down the line. And as you push this in, it's gonna send some gas down below. You can remove this cover if you want to have a visual of the pilot light here. Let's go ahead and remove that. There's just a couple little tabs right there that are inserted in these little slots. You just pull up, and they're on both directions. You just pull up and out for there. There is your little window right here. That's gonna show you when your pilot light is lit. That's gonna be over here on the left-hand side. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and push in, and we're gonna continue to hit this. It says up here 90 seconds, but it normally doesn't take that long. So let me go ahead and push in here. So that's pushed in right now. And we're gonna go ahead and continuing to do this, taking a little bit of a break, and then hitting it. You can do it. Twos, taking a little break while I'm still pushing in with my top finger there. And we're waiting for that light to start blinking. And once that light starts blinking, there we go. See that light blinking right there? Okay, let's go ahead and let go of this here. And now that that light is blinking, then we're gonna go ahead and crank it up to the desired heat that we want. So we're gonna go ahead and go clockwise, and we're gonna come up here to, we'll do right between B and C. So you actually won't hear anything happen down below, at least in this one, until that light goes on, and then until you crank this over. Now we're gonna come down here, and it's kind of hard to see, to tell you the truth, in this little window. Let me go ahead and turn off the flashlight here. And there we go. We see it fired up there. It's just, it was a lot harder to see with that flash of my camera on, but the pilot is lit and it's looking fantastic. Now again, I didn't hear anything down below after I did that the first time. After the red light did start flashing, I didn't hear how a hot water heater does sound until, again, I cranked the knob over here. Now that the arrow is on up here to my hot water desired temperature here. So again, the first position you start is off, counterclockwise to pilot, push it in while you're pressing that like we just saw. Status light blinks, and then you crank it up to your desired hot water, and then you look through the window if you really want to make sure it's on. And bada bing, bada boom, we do have to put this cover back, which again slips right in like we just saw right there. Everything is checking out, looking wonderful. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully it has helped you to save some money and to get your hot water heater back up and lit so you can take a hot shower. You guys have a great one. And again, if this is not your one that you have, check out my other video on my channel. You guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.